So today I'm going over partial derivatives, more specifically WeBWorK Homework 8, Problem 11. So first we're going to start off with what is a partial derivative. A partial derivative is very similar to a regular derivative, except for it's applied to functions with more than one independent variable. So for this WeBWorK problem, we had to find multiple partial derivatives of the function given, which our function was 4 times the sine of 2x plus y plus 5 times the cosine of x minus y. So for the first part, we had to find the partial derivative f sub x of x comma y. And to do this, we took the derivative of the function with respect to x. So the partial derivative, or the derivative of 4 sine of 2x plus y gives us 8 cosine of 2x plus y for the first part. And the second part is the derivative of 5 cosine of x plus y gives us negative 5 times sine of x plus y. So we had to do this again, but taking the derivative of the function with respect to y, and the derivative with respect to y of 4 times the sine of 2x plus y is 4 cosine of 2x plus y, and the derivative of 5 cosine of x minus y is positive 5 sine of x minus y. So after that, we had to take the second derivative of the function with respect to x. So f sub xx of x comma y equals negative 16 sine of 2x plus y minus 5 times the cosine of x minus y. And this is from taking the first derivative of 4 sine of 2x plus y, we get 8 cosine of 2x plus y. And then taking the derivative again, we get negative 16 sine of 2x plus y. And for the other part, we have 5 cosine of x minus y. Taking the derivative, we get negative 5 sine of x minus y. And then taking the derivative again, we have negative 5 cosine of x minus y. So for the fourth part, we had to do it again, but this time with respect to y. So taking 4 sine of 2x plus y, taking the derivative of that, we have 4 cosine of 2x plus y. And then another derivative, we have negative 4 sine of 2x plus y. So taking the derivative of 5 cosine of x minus y, we get 5 sine of x minus y. Then taking the second derivative, we get negative 5 cosine of x minus y. So for the last two parts of the problem, for fy, or f sub y x of x minus y, or x comma y, sorry, we have to take the derivative of the function fy of x minus y, which we solved up here. I wrote it here as a note. We take that derivative with respect to x. So taking the derivative of 4 cosine of 2x plus y, we get negative 8 sine of 2x plus y. And taking the derivative of 5 sine of x minus y with respect to x, we get 5 times the cosine of x minus y. So doing this again, but essentially flipped, instead of f sub yx, we have f sub xy. We take the derivative of f sub x of xy with respect to y. So taking the derivative of 8 cosine of 2x plus y with respect to y, we get negative 8 sine of 2x plus y. And for taking the derivative with respect to y of negative 5 sine of x minus y, we get 5 cosine of x plus y. So that is how we solve this problem for WeBWorK.